kailangan ko tulong mo. May roleplay project kasi ako sa school. Bale, ikaw yung backup singer. Tapos mag-a-acting ako. Bale, ikaw, kakanta ka lang ng sad song, okay? O sige, sige. Ano ba kakantahin natin? Kung wala ka. Anong tono nun? Ganto. Ganon. Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3, action. Tigil mo nga. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko drama, hindi horror movie, buwise. Kasi naman sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako marunong kumanta eh. Pa yan eh, wala kasi akong choice. Gumamit na lang tayo ng Star Maker app. I-open mo lang ang Star Maker app at hanapin mo ang kantang papracticein mo. Magsuot ka lang ng earphones, ready na ang lyrics at pwede mo nang i-open ang camera. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sorry, nadala lang ako ng emosyon.
It's been 10,000 hours and 10,000 more.
I spent 10,000 hours and... You're so noisy! Kala mo naman talaga galing-galing kumanta. Grabe naman to si mama, oh. Shut up! I have a phone call. Tumigil ka, sintonado ka naman. Here on Star Maker app, there's a lot of international songs to sing. Just plug in your headphones and you can practice singing your favorite song. The lyrics and tunes are ready. You can edit the effect of your recorded voice and also the volume of the music. Then you can post it here so that you can gain views and likes from other users. I spent 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, what's that but it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours? All the love you. Sa isang mahiwagang kaharian ay nagluluksa ang mga tao dahil may karamdaman ang kanilang reyna. Paano magagaling ang ating mahal na reyna? Kailangan dito merong magandang boses, tapos kakantahan natin yung mahal na reyna para gumaling siya. Try ko I'm sorry, don't leave me. Hindi mo na yung lumalala. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. May alam akong app eh. Pwede ka doon mag-practice ng pagkanta mo. Star Maker app yun eh. Ito ko. Magic of Star Maker. Maraming kantang pagpipilian, pwede kang mag-search at ready na ang lyrics para makapag-practice. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. Oh my gosh, nawala yung aking karamdaman. Buti naman magaling na kayo, mahal na Reyna. Nag-Star Maker ka, no? Ang ganda ng boses mo. Opo, Star Maker po yung gamit ko. Download the Star Maker app.